Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and power. Check Device Manager for a Bluetooth adapter and make sure drivers are installed. Once done, power the peripheral and set it to pairing or discoverable mode so the laptop can see it. Next, open Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, then Devices and Printers. This is where Windows 7 lists available devices. Make sure your laptop's Bluetooth radio is on. If not, enable it via a physical switch or the keyboard function key before continuing. You now add the device. Click Add a Device and watch the scanning list. When your peripheral appears, select it and click Next. Windows 7 will attempt to pair and may show a PIN or code. Confirm the number on both devices or accept the auto-generated code. While pairing proceeds, Windows may install drivers automatically. Let that finish. If prompted, allow any connection or device type permissions and assign a friendly name for easier identification later, because clear names prevent confusion when multiple devices are nearby. Finish by confirming the device shows as connected in Devices and Printers, then test its function, play audio, send a file, or use the input. If it works, you're done. If not, try simple fixes. Toggle Bluetooth off and on, reboot the laptop, or remove the device and repeat pairing. Update the Bluetooth driver from the manufacturer if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: Open Services, MSC, and Ensure Bluetooth Support Service is set to automatic and started, because Windows needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.